catch natin guys. Sana yun guys. Grabe ang hangkot sa Yuri guys. Ang dami. Kaya ito naman sa amin guys. Dami guys ng ano. Guys, meron na tayo guys. Ito lang tayo sa spot kasi balang doon sa dulo. Kaya dito pa rin tayo sa spot natin guys. Dito lang tayo guys kasi malilim dito guys. Nothing sun guys. Yeah. Morning everybody. Morning Stevie. Morning Ma. Good morning sa lahat. Yeah, guys. Dito natin guys. How many pieces? That's it again. Slow. Salamat tayo guys. Guys, see, grabing laki nito guys, monster talaga guys. At least naka tatlo na tayo guys. Yeah. Yan si mama guys. Continuous natin guys in the morning time. Dito tayo dumating guys, 9:20 na tayo, mga 11 uwi na din tayo guys. Yan laki naman po, sunod na lang po. Mr. B, sana. Come on, mama. Yan guys, Up. Slowly guys, slowly. But, up. Yan guys, laki naman guys, Yan guys, Grabe, super pa rin guys, Yan naman yung sa sinilas ko. Malaki pang katawan sa sinilas ko. Ha? Ito yan. Yan ang panguli na natin isa. Continuous natin guys. Alright. Enjoy lang Papa Jerry. Continuous natin guys. Sada na malakapas guys. I don't take it the video guys. But this time tayo natin guys. Ayan guys malakapas mo niya ito guys. Ay sumama guys. Talaga naman guys. Super ang monster dito guys. Ayun ang malakapas guys. Si Agwas guys. Sorry Agwas. Nakailan na tayo guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pag-anin na tayo guys. Ang lalaki talaga guys. Not bad na yan. Kaya mamaya guys, I come back, I shall return my spot. Yan kaya tiniyan guys. Lalaki yan guys. Over sinilas 1 pounds may get, mga 1.4 pounds. Putis natin guys habang magagaba. Yan man guys. Malaki nung sumama guys. Taiwan talaga natin guys, hindi pwede na yung standing the big size. Up. Nakikita na natin guys, baka makawala pa. Yun tayo yan. Parang may pispan si Papa Jerry guys dito guys. Tingnan mo yung sa lalaki na yan guys. Sorry po. Another one na naman. Ilan na yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guys. In almost 1 hour 7 pieces already. The sizes, kita mo guys si mama nag-shaolin pa. Right, continuous na guys. Love you guys. I love you guys. And I love Mama in the sea guys. Yes Mama, I love you too. Continuous na natin guys. Guys, time to go home guys. Nag-upisa tayo mga 1 hour guys. I fishing today. And my wife already called because I dropped 11. Now 11:30. Already 11:20. Probably 30 minutes to the house. And pick up today si Ricto. I bring this my spot again guys. See? It's okay. At least only 1 hour. Low tide, but it's 3 o'clock, going high tide. At least catching, guys. It's good size catching today. If I stand by in the house, nothing to do, guys. So if you have the time, let's go in the beach side and try fishing my spot, guys. By the way, this is my catch today, guys. In the 1 hour. Yan ang mahuli natin. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. God bless you all, guys. I love you, Mama, and I love you, guys, and I love you, Mama in the sea. See you soon, guys. At least may video naman tayong panibago. Let's go lang, Big Mama, guys. Yun, mga 8 siguro yan, guys. Alright, Mama. Okay, bye. Love you, guys. 1 hour sa atin, guys. Yan, isang oras lang. Big Mama na. See? Grabe, guys. Doon sa spot ko, guys. You believe me, guys. If right as my spot, garante. And the banda this, guys, he don't catching. I don't know what happened for him, but I see it again si Bal. Okay, continue na natin mamaya, guys. After may trap my wife. And we'll wait to again. It's maybe like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, right? At least mayroon tayong huli.